shut up because I was born in Scotland and it's nearly Christmas, so I wanted to read the belted Galloway's version of the Christmas story. The Coo speaks. Honest Injun, there's no snow here at all, but it is awfully cold, and the poor bairn hasna a simmet to its name. His folks have just bumfled him up in a wee bit runkled clutie. Out by there's mouth music and the merry dancers are fair going their dinger. That's all fine and weel, but here in it's minging with sheep and cuddies, and yon Wayne's aye greeting for a scoosh of his mammy's milk. His daddy gives him a balam and he holds his swished for a while. Och, perfect peace. Is that the Sandman coming? Och no, it's just 3 bloody camels. Grimmets, his mummy is unfankling him. She tummels him out in the buff onto that scarty straw and is chittering with a cold under a sky full of jaggy wee stars. And then the sheelings full of geysers come to hansel us. One gives us a wee gaudy kist, another gives us a pot that smells of joy, and the last one gives us a potty that fair reeks. It makes me grue, and the bairn's greeting once more. His mammy haps him and rocks him and feeds him. Aye, she kens full well what lies in store.